can make money on YouTube without making videos. What you see here are earnings based on a new approach which I tried. I did this without creating any of my own videos, without even having to worry about ranking videos or getting views. Yes, this method is totally legit, and I will show you exact steps on how to make money on YouTube without making videos. There are 3 steps you need to follow. The first step is to find videos that people uploaded to YouTube, added a link to a website in the video description, and then the website domain expired. Basically, they didn't bother to renew the domain, and those website links are still getting traffic today. Here is an example. At the time of recording this video, this website link had expired. However, the old video is still ranking and you can see it's getting views. This is your chance to capitalize on that traffic. I found this video with the help of Video Traffic Genie. I added a link to the description below if you want to give it a try. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Think of an area that you are interested in and type in a keyword in the search box. Then it will populate all the best videos that have links to expired domain related to the keyword that you just typed. Now you must be wondering how to make money from this YouTube video and the expired link. Keep watching, I will show that as well. The second step is to register the domain. Usually these domains are around $10 per year and you can cover that cost and make more money. Here's how you do that. The easiest way is to redirect to a related affiliate product. For example, I use ClickBank to find such products. Let's say I want to redirect traffic to this product. The commission for this product is 70%. That means for one sale, I get $38. If I pay $10 per year for the domain, that's 3 times more than what I paid for the domain. So with one sale, I break even and even make a profit. If I get 5 sales, then it's going to be $190 and so on. So the third step is to redirect this domain to the money-making link. So get the affiliate link, and now I'll show you how to set up the redirect. Basically, go to your hosting account. In my case, I use GoDaddy. After you log in, click the Manage button, then go to the cPanel admin. In the cPanel dashboard, click Redirect under Domains. Here is where you add the affiliate link you just got. You can choose whether you want to be permanent or temporary. I keep it as permanent. So now every time someone uses that old link, they will see and directly go to your product and they might buy the product. So let's say there are 100 views and maybe 5 people buy, and that's money for you. So now you know the approach. This is a simple way to get highly targeted traffic to your affiliate link, which increases the chances of people buying the affiliate product. Now you know the simple way to make money on YouTube without making videos. So get started today and start making money.